What's up, YouTube? It's Amtrak No Scale, and welcome to an actual video. I swear to God, I've been having so much difficulty getting a video up. But anyway, what I've got for you here today is an unboxing video of something that's truly special to my family and I, and that is well, you'll see. But just to give you a hint of what it is, my dad was, well, we're a big military family. There you go. It's a military unit. But my dad and my grandpa and my uncle were all military guys. My grandpa was in World War II. He was a mechanic on Jeeps and stuff like that. And then my uncle was part of a secret missile program. It was the something with Nike missiles, I believe. It was a secret nuclear missile program in no, it wasn't World War II. No, because they didn't have missiles. They didn't have nuclear missiles then. It was Vietnam. That's what it was. He was in the Vietnam War, and it's pretty cool the branch he was in. And then my dad. He was part of the intelligence Navy division of the Navy Reserves. It was like Op Intel, something like that, for the Navy Reserves in the Gulf War, and that was pretty cool to find out. So yeah, we love our troops and everything. We're a huge military family in that, and I guess you could say, but we love our troops. So that's why I got this. So in staying with the theme, of course, I got a K-bar right here. Yes, this is an actual K-bar, just to go with the military theme. So let's get this thing open. And unfortunately, I don't have a tripod this time, because the damn tripod that I was using decided to crap out and fall apart. I mean, I guess it made sense because it was like 15 bucks on Amazon when I bought it a couple years back. Okay, let's see. How are we gonna get this thing open? I just have to be very careful because K-bars are overly sharp. There. How about this? Instead of being used in war, I fight a small battle with a box. Oh boy. This is... Let's see. Oh, okay. Well then, alright, that works. That was actually very easy. Okay, so I see what we have to do here. Have to cut that. Oops. Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Let's see. Sorry, unfortunately I have to do this in one take because on my computer, well, what happened is, you know, a few months back, YouTube got rid of the video editor thingy, so like I can't splice videos together. And if I was to download Splice on this phone here, then it would take up too much space, so that's the unfortunate thing. Otherwise, like, I would cut this into segments so you guys don't have to watch all this. Oh, by the way, that engine right there is not technically broken. It's going through a Proto 2 to Proto 3 upgrade. So, don't worry. I didn't just trash an engine. I mean, technically I did, but not intentionally. Well, yes, you get the idea. It's going through an upgrade, and I'm probably gonna put the Phase 2 Heritage Unit sounds in it. May 66 rest in peace. Yes, it's been scrapped. Either that or it has been confirmed by Amtrak's marketing department that a 66 is being replaced with 130, and 130 is being repainted into phase 2. Okay, let's flip this over. You guys ready? There it is. Spoiler alert, it's Genesis number 42. So let's get the damn thing out of its box. Okay. So there it is. There's the box. I'm gonna save the outer stuff because I first of all I like to have the outer packaging, and second of all, apparently it's worth more if you keep the outer packaging. Okay, so it's flipped upside down right now. So let's do this. There we go, now we're right side up. Again, I'm sorry about camera work. It's hard getting this out, like, with one hand. And like I said, I do have to do this all in one take, unfortunately. YouTube, removed the video editor. So I can't use an external editor on my computer either, because my computer sucks. So, and I've tried it before. I tried splicing 2 videos together, but the H.264 encoder was like, nope, too much work, man, and my computer crashed. Okay, so let's try and get this out of the damn box. Okay. Whoops, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. Oh, okay, there's the manual. Wow. Hooray, manual. I'm gonna look at that later, because I already know how these Genesis engines work. So, this is strictly an unboxing video. A run it and a review will come when I have time, but let's just pop the lid. There we go. Oh, I can already tell. I can see through. It looks beautiful. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Come on, cooperate. I'm trying to see if I can prop this up somehow. Aha. Will a knife do it? Not really. Okay. Well, I can't set you guys down. Okay, that works. That's perfect. Now we've got it out. We got it up right here. Oh, it has the new MTH smell. I love that smell. Does anybody else know what I'm talking about? I love the new because there is a new smell whenever you unbox the new MTH stuff. It's like the new car smell for model trains. I haven't unboxed a new MTH engine in a long time. A long time, forever. Oh my god. I forget the station stop sounds for this thing, but I'll have to check that out. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. Let's set aside this packaging, damn, that thing is awesome. Wow. Okay, MTH, you guys killed it with this. Thank you, Mike Wolf. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love this engine now. And I have other Genesis engines other than the one that's going through the upgrade there, so this made perfect sense to get. I'm also going to be repainting my cabbage to hope if I can find somebody to do it, to hopefully also veterans colors at number 90208, because I'm a California guy, so that's where I'd want to model, you know. So it looks like one of the grills was kind of out of place. I just popped it back in. That's all right. Let's inspect the rest of it. But they killed it with this thing. Like, damn. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. You guys can see the... Whoa! I'm just marveling this with... Wow. You know, it's got Beech Grove on the Pilot. That is absolutely amazing. Now, let's grab one of my Genesis engines over here. Let's grab this one. And you can see my cabbage and some of my rolling stock here. I don't have a whole lot of rolling stock right now, because all the rolling stock I look for is a pain in the butt to find. So, like an absolute pain in the butt to find. So, right now, MTH is the only company that makes or has made a proper scale P42 DC. I mean, yes, Williams by Bachmann has made some, but even if they're scale, it doesn't mean they're very detailed either. So, this here is an Amtrak engine right here. So this is 193 and 42 together. This is wow. So I'm just amazed by this. I'll have to get a running video up for you guys sometime soon. So thanks for watching. I apologize to you guys on the Discord server. This was a day late, but it is what it is. FedEx required a signature, and I guess I'm happy they did now. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.